from Minerva. Now today's a really exciting day because it is the launch day of a brand new pattern from Tilly and the Buttons. Now we are huge fans of Tilly and the Button patterns here at Minerva. They are award winning with really easy to follow instructions. The packaging on the paper patterns is absolutely beautiful and they just do a really fantastic range of styles. And the one that's launching today is actually a pattern that has been available as a paper pattern before, but they decided to discontinue it as a paper pattern a little while ago, and they've now brought it back because it was always so popular, but now they've brought it back in an extended size range, which is fantastic. So this is the Agnes jersey top pattern. Now the size range comes in UK sizes 6 to 34, so a fantastic size range there, and it's a pattern that's aimed at confident beginners. So even if you're brand new to sewing, I would think this would be a great pattern to start with. It does require you to work with a stretch jersey fabric, which some people can be a little bit intimidated by, but actually if you're sewing with a nice stable easy to sew jersey, it's actually a great place to start because you've not got the same fitting issues, and yeah, it can just make for a really comfortable casual garment that will be nice and easy to sew. So the idea with this pattern is that Tilly talks you through the instructions on how to make this pattern on just a regular sewing machine. So you know, you can make it on an overlocker of course, but you certainly don't need an overlocker to be able to make this pattern. And of course, you know, that makes it again great for beginners who, you know, are unlikely probably to have an overlocker machine. Now the style itself, it's a close fitting silhouette style of t-shirt. It has a choice of different necklines, so there is a scoop neckline or a ruched sweetheart neckline, which I think is really pretty. That's a really lovely detail. And both options of the neckline are finished with a narrow neckband, which again I think is a really nice finish for a t-shirt like this. It comes with a selection of different sleeve lengths, so you've got a full length sleeve or a cropped sleeve that finishes just above the elbow. And it has a really lovely option, which I think is a really popular option from this pattern, with ruching detail at the top of the shoulders, so at the top of the sleeve. And again, that's just a really pretty option for the sleeves as well. Now in terms of fabric requirements for this pattern, I've chose 10 of my favourite jersey patterns that I think will be really lovely to sew this pattern in. All of these that I'm going to share with you today are all at least 140 centimetres wide, so depending on the size or the view that you made, you would need somewhere between 1.2 metres and 2.3 metres. So especially in the you know, the shorter sleeved options, you know, you don't need as much fabric there, so it's a nice pattern for that reason as well. And in terms of the sorts of fabrics that this pattern suits, it's a t-shirt, so obviously it's quite a fitted one, so it needs fabric with at least 25% stretch, and ideally it wants something with good recovery, so it's going to spring back to shape when, you know, after you've put the garment on and it's stretched to go over your head, it then pulls back into shape when it's actually on the body. Now the majority of the ones I've chose to share with you today are cotton jerseys. You could also use a viscose jersey or a wool jersey, but yeah, personally I think a cotton jersey is a really lovely option for this pattern. So yeah, let's take a look at all the different fabrics that I've chosen. So first of all, I've got two of our classic cotton jerseys that both have lycra in them, so they have fantastic recovery, and both of these are our Minerva core range fabrics, which we stock in absolutely tons of different colours, and yeah, we stock them all year round. They're absolutely beautiful quality. I mean, they just feel amazing. And this one is our slightly lighter weight cotton jersey. It's still certainly not see-through, and it still has a good weight, but of the two options, this is the slightly lighter one. And this one, which I'm showing in a different colour here, this one is our slightly heavier jersey. Again, you know, there's not a huge amount of difference between them, but if you know you want something a little bit heavier, that one would be a good choice. And again, they both just feel amazing. They have fantastic stretch recovery, as you can see there, so perfect for a jersey top like the Agnes. Next up we have something, now this is again another cotton and lycra jersey, but this one's a little bit different. So it is plain in one sense, but on the surface of the fabric there's a print on the surface that gives it the look of denim, which I think is really unusual and just a little bit different. Again, this one is one of our core ranges, so it comes in lots of different colourways. So this one is obviously one that looks like a classic denim blue, but you know, we have pinks and turquoises and all sorts of different colours in this fabric, all that give that appearance of denim, which I think is really lovely, and just something a little bit different for a plain fabric. Next up we have, now this is 100% cotton jersey, and this one is our pointelle jersey. So what makes this type of fabric different is that whilst it's been knitted in such a way that it leaves little holes every so often, and those holes make up a little diamond geometric design on the surface of the fabric. Hopefully that'll pick up on camera for you there. But yeah, it's just a really pretty look, and I think in a t-shirt like this, it would just, again, it's relatively plain, but it just has that little bit of interest and detail in there. Now, because this is 100% cotton, it doesn't have the same stretch recovery like all the other ones do that I'm going to show you today. So that will give the overall garment a slightly more relaxed, slouchy feel. But yeah, it would, still be really, really lovely. And yeah, I love the idea of that one because just that little bit of detail in the way it's been knitted, it's going to make it really special. So next up we have, this is actually a wool blend jersey. Again, another of our core ranges, so we have this in lots of different colourways, and you can feel the wool content in this fabric, even though it's still really soft. I can sometimes be a little bit sensitive to wool, but this is so silky smooth that I certainly wouldn't have a problem with that. It's got 20% wool in there, and the rest is made up with predominantly viscose fibres and some elastane as well. So the elastane again means it's got really good stretch recovery, both directions, and the viscose content gives it a beautiful drape. Really, really lovely. But I think because of that wool content in there, it's still going to be stable enough to hold the shape of the t-shirt, to hold the ruffles on the shoulders or the front if you wanted to add those. Yeah, really, really lovely. And because it has that little bit of wool content in there, it's going to make it nice and warm, so it'd be a good layering piece for in the winter and a really good garment to wear when the seasons are changing in spring and autumn, just as an extra cosy layer. So the next 5 I've got to share with you, so these are all prints, and we have hundreds of cotton jerseys and jersey blends on the site that you could use to make the Agnes, but I chose these 5 because I just think they're really lovely, would suit the style of the pattern, and just some of my favourites. So the first one is another cotton jersey. And what's lovely about this one is that on the surface it has little anchors that have been printed, so gives it a nautical vibe, and the anchors are actually in a metallic, so on this one it's a metallic silver. Hopefully that'll pick up on camera, and it just catches the light so beautifully. I think because it's a little ditzy print, maybe from a distance you might think it's like a little dot or a polka dot design, but when you come up close you can see its little anchors. It's really, really sweet and just extra special with it having that metallic print on there. And this one again does come in a few colours. This is the rust colourway, but yeah, lots of different options in that one as well. Now next one, I've gone for something quite brightly coloured with this one. If you know me, you know I love colour, so this just spoke to me. I think this would just make an absolutely beautiful Agnes. Look at those peacock feathers, the pink flowers. Oh, it's just absolutely beautiful, and it's on a very soft lemony yellow coloured background, so it's bright and colourful. but just the colours in the print really work together. And you know, perhaps just for the plain option on the pattern, you know, in a fabric like this, it would really let the fabric sing. And it was such a quick and easy, simple sew, really enjoyable to make, and you'd have such a beautiful top at the end of it in a fabric like this. That one as well does also come in a couple of other colourways as well. So next up we've got something a lot more subtle for a print, but equally lovely, very, very wearable. And I love the colourway in this one. This is a very dusky pink, like a rose sort of colour, but very, very soft and subtle, and just a really, really pretty colour. As you can see, it has like abstract, almost square sort of splodges all over the surface, so it looks like a little bit dotty, but they're more like little squares. Again, this comes in lots of different colours, and yeah, I think that would just make a really wearable Agnes that, you know, is not plain, but it's the type of fabric that I think will go with lots of other outfits, garments in your wardrobe. Yeah, and that would be a really lovely one. Now the next one was inspired by the pattern envelope, and if you follow Tilly and the Buttons, you'll know they're a really big fan of stripes. So I had to include a stripe today, and especially because the on the envelope there's a stripy option on there. And for me, what could be better than a classic monochrome black and white stripe? I think that would be so cool in this pattern. This particular one is about 1 centimetre wide stripe, so it's a nice relatively chunky stripe, but we do also have narrower ones on the side as well, and some thicker chunky ones as well. And this one does also come in lots of different colourways, so you know, you've loads of different options. But yeah, I love the idea of this. You know, you could team it with jeans, and you know, it's something that would just go with everything in your wardrobe. I think can't go wrong with a classic black and white monochrome stripe. And the last fabric I've got to share with you today is possibly my favourite of the day. I love anything with a navy blue base colourway, which this one has, and I just think that is so pretty. Such beautiful quality cotton jersey, and it has these pink and blue and aqua coloured like sort of splodges or spots on there, irregular shaped spots. But the bit I love, which hopefully it will pick it up on camera, it has a glittery gold spot every so often as well, and it just lifts the fabric. That it's only a hint of sparkle or a hint of glitter. It just catches the light really subtly, but it's just so pretty, and I just think that would make an amazing Agnes top. Yeah, that would be absolutely gorgeous. So that's all the fabrics that I had to share with you today. So I hope that's given you lots of ideas on what you can make the Agnes pattern in. I know lots of people in the Minerva community have already sewn this pattern, so it was always a really popular one, and it's just so brilliant to see it out now, back again as a paper pattern in that extended size range. Yeah, I think it's going to go from strength to strength, and it's just going to continue to be a really popular pattern. So everything I've mentioned today, the pattern and all these fabrics, we will tag below this video as always. So you can click on those links below, check out all the other colourways and all the details on all the products. As always with Minerva, if you're a member of the Minerva Craft Club, you'll be able to save 10% off all the prices on the site, and the 10% is for a full 12 months from the point that you sign up. So that's a great deal on the pattern and the fabric there today. Do let me know if you like this video, and if you did, please give us a like and give us a follow. We'd really appreciate that. Thank you very much for watching today, and I'll be back again soon with another video.